What's the meaning of cottage loaf? Cottage loaf. Cottage loaf.
Cottage loaf. Cottage loaf. A cottage loaf is a type of bread that has a distinct appearance with a round top and a smaller bottom, resembling a cottage. The dough is typically made from flour, yeast, salt, and water. To create the specific shape, 2 balls of dough are placed on top of each other, and the top is slashed with a knife before baking. The result is a loaf with an attractive, rustic appearance that makes it ideal for serving at casual gatherings or as a centerpiece for a dinner table. Its texture is typically chewy with a slightly crispy crust.